Okay, I've got to break in here because I'm going to be making these, but this is a collaboration with Tomahawk DIY, one of the up-and-coming YouTube channels for home DIY items. Definitely take a look at his channel. I'll leave a link to it down below, but he's going to be going into the installation of these in the house. Should be kind of fun. Take a look at that. Let's dive back into the project. Right on target. For shop and start. Yeah, the sound gets addictive. Yeah, you want to go down the shop and follow along. Save those clips, and then deleted the file, not realizing that there's. I like that. It's gonna look really good with the BL logos on it. Two. Pop out. Good. Shh, don't tell her. Now let's add some BLO and bring the color out. Or at least a clip or two of it, nothing major. Maybe 3 if it's in depth. So there you have it. These were a lot of fun. I'm loving how the carving came out on them, and I'm thinking I might need to make one of these for my house now. I don't know which one you prefer with the wooden pegs or the steel pegs. Let me know that down below. And why don't you head on over to Tomahawk DIY and see how he installs these in his house and where he's putting them. It's kind of a cool channel with a lot of home fixes and things like that. Definitely head on over there. I'll leave a link to it down below and up in the cards. So that's about it for today. This is a quick, simple project that most people can pop out in a weekend and have a little bit of fun doing it. Put your own interpretation into carving and make something that matches you. So I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, share. This really does help out the channel. And I think that's about it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Have you ever had one of those days where you just can't come up for a design and then suddenly, after racking your brain, you come up with one?